You get to the lake, the sun's rising, and you're ready to cast your line, only to realize your gear is a mess. The rod's too stiff, the reel jams, and you're spending more time untangling than actually fishing. Sound familiar? That's exactly why picking the right rod and reel combo matters. It can turn a frustrating day into a smooth, enjoyable one. In this video, I've rounded up 10 of the best fishing combos that take the guesswork out of your setup. Whether you're a beginner or just want reliable gear that works, there's something here for you. All the product links are down in the video description if you want to check them out for yourself. Let's dive in. Starting off strong with the McGreel fishing rod and reel combo, this is a full telescopic pole set that includes not only the rod and spinning reel, but also fishing line, lures, and even a carrying bag, making it a perfect choice for beginners or anyone looking for a well-rounded starter kit. The rod is available in multiple lengths, 6, 7, 8, and 9 feet, so you can tailor it to your fishing style or location. It's designed for both saltwater and freshwater use, which adds major versatility. What stands out most about this combo is the attention to portability and convenience. The collapsible design makes it a great option if you're planning a fishing trip while traveling or just want something easy to store in your car. The only trade-off here is that while the included reel is smooth, it might not hold up to heavy-duty saltwater fishing over time. Still, for casual anglers and travel setups, it's a solid pick that delivers great value. Now, if you're after something with a bit more backbone and a sleeker design, the Sugi Yolong fishing rod and reel combo is definitely worth a look. This carbon fiber telescopic combo features a spinning reel that's especially well suited for travel and both saltwater and freshwater fishing. The rod itself feels lightweight yet surprisingly strong, and the reel operates smoothly with solid drag power. I have to say, the engineering on this model is impressive considering the price point. One area to be mindful of is that the included case and accessories are more basic, so if you're building out a more serious tackle setup, you might want to swap some things out. But for those looking to fish on the go or test out different environments without breaking the bank, this one punches above its weight. Unlike the first two models, which lean toward travel and casual use, the Zeco 404 SpinCast combo brings an old-school reliability with a design that's ideal for beginners or those who just want a no-fuss setup. It comes with a durable fiberglass rod and a pre-spooled SpinCast reel featuring anti-reverse and built-in bite alert. What's great about this combo is how forgiving it is. It's easy to cast, hard to tangle, and just plain simple to use. That makes it a great pick for introducing kids or beginners to fishing. However, don't expect high-end materials or long-distance casting here. It's more about comfort and ease of use. If you're someone who wants to get out on the lake without fiddling with gear all day, this one fits the bill. Moving on, the Placino fishing rod and reel combo stands out for its blend of quality and affordability. It features a carbon fiber telescopic rod paired with a spinning reel that offers surprisingly smooth retrieval and solid drag power. One thing I really like about this setup is how it balances portability with durability. It comes with a nice starter kit that includes hooks, lures, and line, so you can pretty much start fishing right out of the box. Compared to the Zeco 404, this offers a more modern feel and broader range in fishing environments, especially for those who want to try both freshwater and light saltwater angling. While the reel isn't designed for hauling in monsters, it's more than capable for bass, trout, and similar game fish. If you're someone who likes their gear to look as good as it performs, the Cudracast fishing rod and reel combo might be exactly your style. This one features a striking X-warp painting design that's honestly just cool to look at, and it backs that up with a carbon fiber telescopic rod and a powerful spinning reel. But this isn't just about looks. The performance here is solid, with smooth casts and reliable reeling even after extended use. Imagine you're out on the lake at sunrise, casting effortlessly while everyone else is still untangling their lines. That's the kind of vibe this combo gives. It also includes a tackle box, which adds to its appeal as a great gift for beginners or seasoned anglers who want a stylish, dependable backup rod. Just note that it does lean more into the medium-light category, so it's not ideal for very heavy fish. If compact gear is more your thing, check out the VGBY portable fishing rod combo. This one's designed for extreme portability with a lightweight folding system that integrates the rod and reel into one tight little package. Perfect for hiking, camping, or just stashing in a backpack. It includes a small tackle box and bag, so you're really getting a full micro kit here. While it's obviously not made for heavy catches or rough saltwater conditions, it excels as a quick grab-and-go option for spontaneous fishing spots. Think, you're out on a weekend hike, spot a creek, and boom, you've got a rod ready in seconds. It's honestly kind of fun how nimble this setup feels. Now, if durability and toughness are top priorities, the Shakespeare Ugly Stick GX2 combo continues to live up to its legendary name. This spinning rod and reel combo is built with Ugly Tech construction, which blends graphite and fiberglass for insane durability. It's the kind of rod you can toss in the back of a truck, use in the rain, and still count on to deliver. The GX2 reel complements the rod well, though it's not the most refined in terms of finesse fishing. That said, if you want a combo that can take a beating and keep catching fish, especially in rougher environments like rocky shorelines or riverbeds, this is your guy. You won't exactly win popularity contests running this during quiet lakeside mornings due to its weight, but for durability, it's a beast. Taking a step up in refinement, the Cast King Centron Light combo pairs high-performance components with a surprisingly accessible price. The rod features IM6 graphite blanks, stainless steel guides, and contoured EVA handles that give it a premium feel without the premium cost. You get a choice between split or full handles and up to 13 different rod sizes and actions, so you can really customize this to your fishing style. When looking at this model closely, what impressed me most was the reel. It offers great drag strength and smooth retrieval, even when you're fighting feisty fish. Compared to the Ugly Stick, this is more refined and better for anglers focused on casting precision and lighter setups rather than brute durability. Finally, we've got the Fishokei Telescopic combo, which offers a highly portable and complete setup that's perfect for travel or as a gift. It comes with 2 collapsible rods, spinning reels, a tackle kit, and a carrying case. Everything fits neatly in the bag, making it an ideal pick for family outings or someone who wants a backup kit ready at all times. Picture this. You're on a beach vacation, your hotel is right by the pier, and instead of wishing you brought your gear, you just pull this kit out of your suitcase and start casting. It's not made for large game fish, but for pier, lake, or light surf fishing, it holds up well. The only catch, pun intended, is that some of the accessories could be higher quality, but they're more than enough to get you started. So, to sum it all up, if you're fishing in a mix of environments and want a full starter kit, go with the McGreel or Sugi Yolong. For sheer simplicity and ease of use, the Zeco 404 is the way to go, especially for beginners. Want something durable and ready for rough conditions? The Ugly Stick GX2 won't let you down. If you're looking for the best all-around value with some modern design, Placino and Cudracast both shine. For those on the move, VGBY and Fishokei offer great travel-friendly options. And if performance and customization are your thing, the Cast King Centron Light is an excellent higher-end choice without going full premium. Every one of these combos offers something unique depending on where and how you fish, so think about your priorities, portability, power, or price, and choose accordingly. As always, the links are in the description if you want to take a closer look, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you found this helpful.